up naman dyan, gawin nyo ng 5. Kindly hit the like button. Thank you so much. Hit the like button. It's free. It's free. It's free. Basta Koya. 76-78 is the score. 105, 107 yung pinakamaingay. Salamat din sa panonood nyo dyan. Pasensya na kayo. Kayo ay malog. Pinatayo ang crowd. Pinatayo for the final 9.6 seconds. It's son of ball. Hindi na yan mag-OT. 9.6 seconds. Let's see. Oh shit! They go for three. No! Samsung wins for the first time this season. Hey, congratulations Samsung! Woo! What a happy win for Samsung. I knew this day is coming. Congratulations Justin Gutam. And with that, Tono suffers back-to-back losses. First from KT Sonic Boom and now with Samsung. 78-76 is the final score. Thank you PJ Reacts. Baka tomorrow team online tayo. Baka maiyak ang mga Samsung players. First win this season. This is game number 7 for them. Lucky game number 7. Fixed game.